Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I will show you how to watch videos on X without opening link or clicking any link at all. First of all, you head over to your X account, and then you have to know that there are two ways that you can watch videos without clicking any link on X. The first method is by avoiding any videos that has link, while the second method is to use a trick to watch the video without actually clicking that link. Yes, that is the two ways. Now, the first way, I'm going to start with the first way. The first way is by avoiding videos that has external links on them. For example, this video, as you're seeing here, does not have any external link. So I'll just click on it, and then I can watch it without any link. The second method is to look for a way to watch a video without opening any link on it. So to do this, you have to use an external another platform aside this X app. So what you're going to do is head back and then go to any browser of your choice. I usually recommend Opera Mini. Log into your X account with Opera Mini and try to watch that video again. If you're trying to do this on X app, it will be very difficult because there's no way you can do this on X app. So that comes to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.